So we just made it to Yunta. Nice little parking area. We're actually sandwiched between the road on my right and the rail track on my left. So we've made ourselves comfortable, and we've had Mum and her offspring come down for a little sip of water. The water's come from, there's a water tank over here on the right, that's the town water supply, and there's the reason we stopped here was there's a nice little swimming pool off to the left, it's to the right, sorry, and they look as if they're going back bush again. Aren't they gorgeous? So little areas you can park up, just where those emu have just left, you can park up down there, you can park up down the side of the road there. There's a bloke here just going to park up in front of the big shed. We're parked up down there, and there's another spot down where that crane is, and you can park up down there too. So thank you, Yunta. Well, good morning everybody. A beautiful morning here in Yunta. Called in last night, you'll see, get rid of that sun. Called in last night and caught up with those emus in the street you would have seen. And yeah, we just got ourselves familiar. There's not a lot, of course, in Yunta. There's a police station across the way, next door to the pub, and of course the hotel. And then we went for a walk further down the road down here. There's plenty of gas stations. There's a 24-hour one over here. There's another one here on the right-hand side. And we went down to the Ampol way down the bottom. Great little roadhouse down there. Had a beautiful Indian meal. And yeah, enjoyed what was a lovely evening here in Yunta. A little bit upset. There's a swimming pool just down the bottom here which we could utilise. I went and inquired at the information centre. But well, actually, it's the post office just there. Beautiful post office and great help there. But she said that they'd just recently dosed the pool heavily in the morning, and a swim was out of the question this afternoon. So that was a bit sad. So I'll just finish up with just showing you there's good clean toilets, but I will show you the parking arrangement here in Yunta in case you're interested. Catch you down the road. Here we are, Manna Hill, just down the road from where we were. It's windy, hopefully that comes across okay. So you're about 30 minutes up the road towards Broken Hill, and we stop here. So there's a nice little pub across the road which we haven't visited yet, but I've seen some of the photos, it looks grand. The Manna Hotel, and there's the toilets and a little park up area on that side of the road for us. Thank you very much. And there's a rest area on this side of the road which is being heavily utilised by people walking their dogs and their caravans and having a wee bite to eat. So yes, a lovely little spot. Grand old railway station. There's still trains going past on this side, but we're a little bit further away from the train than we were last night. Oh, excuse the wind, and a big old grand crane there. So we're due for a little bit of weather change today, so I thought I'd get out, get what we can, because down in the back of the hills there's some clouds brewing, and they're likely to bring some rain. So I'm sure, looking at how the pastures are around here, they're absolutely parched, and they'll be looking forward to that little drop. Alrighty ho, look forward to having that beer tonight, and we'll show you some photos of what the old Manna Hotel looks like, eh? Well, I've stepped out here without my microphone and Jude's going to crucify me, but yeah. Saw the before, well, it's coming. Hopefully it's going to stay further down to the right of us here, because here's the pub in the background, and to the other side of the pub it's not looking too bad. So yeah, the main front is there, looking like a doozy. Haven't seen one of these for a while. Woohoo! Oh, well, I feel like one of those reporters in a cyclone right now. It's dived away a bit from those dark shots that I saw, but massive big frontal cloud. You can see it coming through here. There were some massive dark areas. There's rain coming now through there and they're big drops. Hopefully no hail. I think that lady should know her washing's out on the line. But this is our little campsite down here. These people have just pulled on in, and we're over in the corner over there. So it's amazing to see just like tumbleweeds going down the road. It's backing off. Well, yeah. Hopefully we'll still get that trip to the pub. She says she will be open, so it's pretty good. But yeah, we'll soon see how much rain. Yeah, definitely in behind that tree where the clothesline's spinning. You can see it darkening out there and looking a bit moisture. Good stuff. Try and keep in touch.